Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 L2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. The first way requires entering the secret code, which is *## 06#. And at the bottom of this pop-out window we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's open them. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Scroll down again and enter the model, and as you can see the serial number is notified right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.